Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get every single Sims 4 DLC pack completely free. Yep, you heard that right. All the expansion packs, game packs, and stuff packs without paying a cent. I'll walk you through the full step-by-step tutorial using just your mobile phone, and it works on both iPhone and Android. It's quick, simple, and by the end of this, you'll have access to all Sims 4 DLCs ready to use on your game. If this works for you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment so more people can find this before it gets patched or taken down. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Grab your phone and open your browser. It doesn't matter if you use Safari, Chrome, or anything else. Now head over to this website, twistycoupons.com. Once you're on the site, scroll through the featured offers until you find the one that says Sims 4, all DLC free. Tap on it, you'll see a page with all the details and a counter showing how many keys or activations are left. These can run out pretty quickly, so don't wait too long. When you click into the offer, you'll see that the DLC unlock is locked at first. To unlock it, you'll just need to complete 2 quick sponsor tasks. Don't worry, these are completely free, safe, and super straightforward. No subscriptions, no weird signups, nothing sketchy. You might be asked to do things like download a free app and open it for a minute, play a mobile game and reach a certain level, or test out a free VPN. That's it. It usually takes no more than 5 to 10 minutes total. Once you've completed 2 of those tasks, head back to the site, and your Sims 4 DLC unlock should now be available. If for some reason it doesn't show up right away, just try doing one more offer. Sometimes it needs an extra minute to sync everything properly. After that, you'll get a code to activate all DLCs in your Sims 4 account. Whether you're on PC, Mac, or console, you'll be able to enjoy all expansions like Cottage Living, Seasons, High School Years, Island Living, and so much more, completely unlocked. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which Sims 4 pack you're most excited to try out. And if you get stuck at any point, drop a comment. I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.